Welcome to the annual Interhouse Science Quiz. Let's embark on a scientific journey of discovery and exploration. Our science quiz is designed to challenge your knowledge, spark your curiosity, and ignite your passion for the wonders in the natural world. Let's begin with the quiz.
About the quiz. Classes 4, 5, 6 will be divided into 4 houses: Gandhara, Nalanda, Vikramshala, and Taxila. I request the participants to please introduce themselves, starting from Gandhara.
Good morning, everyone. I am Ishan Garg and I am in class 5 for Kandara.
Good morning. My name is Tofia and I'm from class 6 Appalachian.
Good morning, I'm Shlok from class 4 Ural.
Good morning. My name is Devam Kathuria from class 6 Appalachian.
Good morning, my name is Anikraj and I am from class 5 Himalaya.
Good morning, my name Good morning. My name is Dhruv.
Good morning, I'm Adilya Singh from class 5 Ural.
Good morning, I'm Amira Malik from 4th Alps.
Good morning, I am Shania from grade 6 Hindu Kush.
Good morning, I'm Samreen Kaur from Alps 4.
Good morning, I'm Ruhan from 5th Andes.
Good morning, I'm Inayat from 6th Hindu Kush.
Questions will be asked from each house, team-wise. Rules for each round will be announced separately. Starting with round 1. Guess the gizmo. Rules for the round. One member from each house will come forward and uncover the scientific instrument. The team will have 20 seconds to discuss after uncovering the instrument. The team will identify the instrument and the correct scientific name for 10 marks and explain its use for another 10 marks. A total of 20 marks per round will be awarded. There will be no negative marking for this round. Now Tejas will give us a demonstration about how this round is supposed to go. Next slide, please. He's supposed to choose an item off of the screen.
I choose instrument demo.
Now he's supposed to go up to the table and uncover the item and show it to the audience.
This is a beaker.
Now that is an example of something you shouldn't do or else it'll lead to disqualification. What you're supposed to do instead is
and then take the object back to your house, and then you have 20 seconds to decide what the object is, and after the time is up, you're supposed to give the answer. Is that clear? All houses?
Okay, starting with house number 1. Please select a participant to go up to the table. You're supposed to keep it down on the table and then come back. And please speak out the item number. Item number 3. You have 20 seconds to discuss. Your time starts now.
So the object was a stopwatch or clock, and it is used to measure the amount of time taken in any experiment. For example, I want to take the time taken for a solute to dissolve in a solvent.
That is the correct answer. The team will be awarded 20 marks. Okay. Now for Nalanda, please select a participant. Please speak out the number of the item. Number 8. You can move back to your seat. You have 20 seconds. Your time starts now.
The item is a test tube holder. It is used to hold test tubes during experiments so we do not burn our hands.
That is the correct answer. The team will be awarded 20 marks. Now for Vikram Shila. Item number 2. You can move back to your seat. Your time starts now.
The item is a thermometer. It's used to measure the temperature of the item.
That is the correct answer. The team will be awarded 20 marks. And now for the last house, Taxila. Please speak out the item number. Item number 1. Your time starts now.
It's a forcimeter used to measure weight.
That is the correct answer.
Now we'll begin with round 2, creature catch. The rules for this round are, each team will be asked one question. Each team will get a total of 60 seconds to ask the clues and guess the answer. Each team will select one player to come on the stage and pick a slip with an animal's name. The selected player will not disclose the name to his or her team members and will give 4 clues to the team to guess the animal. The sequence of clues will be clue 1 speak, clue 2 act, clue 3 sound, and clue 4 expert advice. If the team is not able to answer after a particular clue, it can move on to the next clue. In clue 1, the player on stage must speak one adaptation or characteristic of the given vertebrate. In clue 2, the player must only act to help the team to guess the answer. No speaking is allowed. In clue 3, an audio sound of the animal will be played. And in clue 4, a hint will be given as expert advice. 40 points will be awarded to the house if they guess the answer after clue 1, 30 points if the answer is guessed after clue 2, 20 points if the answer is guessed after clue 3, and 10 points if the answer is guessed after clue 4. Houses, any questions? Right, so we'll begin with Gandhara. We have a demonstration by Ibadat first. Ibadat, please select a card from the bowl.
I choose catch card F.
Alright, we'll begin with clue 1. Clue 1 is speak. So Ibadat has to give an adaptation or a characteristic of the animal which was in the card. Her team members using the clue will either have to guess the answer or move on to the next clue.
I am a reptile.
I didn't judge the answer. I will like to go with the second clue.
Right, so the team has decided to go to clue 2. Clue 2 is act. Here, Ibadat will act out as the animal which she's been given, and the team has to identify the animal from the clue. Ma'am, would you like to give the answer?
I would like to choose next clue, clue 3, because I didn't get the answer.
Right. So now we move on to clue 3. Clue 3 is sound. An audio of the animal's sound will be played on the screen right now, and the team has to identify the animal using the sound. Ma'am, would you like to give the answer?
I would like to choose next clue because I didn't guess the answer.
Now we have clue 4, expert advice. A major hint will be shown on the screen in the form of a text, and the team has to identify the animal using the text.
I have tough, scaly skin and snap my jaws shut with great force to catch my prey.
This is the final clue, so the team will either have to give the answer or pass.
It's a crocodile.
That is a correct answer. Since the team used 4 clues, the points awarded will be 10. If they had guessed the answer in clue 1, they would have been awarded 40 points. With this, we begin with Gandhara. A participant, please come ahead and choose a card. Can you repeat? Clue card E, right.
Eagle.
That is the correct answer. The team is awarded 40 points. Nalanda. The audience is requested to remain seated and silent. Card C. We begin with clue 1. You have to describe the animal you've been given.
Owl.
That is the correct answer. The team is awarded 40 points. Vikramshila. Catch card A. We begin with clue 1. Right. Vikramshila, please choose another card. Catch card D.
Whale. Dolphin.
That is the wrong answer. The team is awarded 0 points, and the turn is for Taxila now. Or participants to please note that if they answer, it has to be correct. Please wait. If the answer is incorrect, you'll be awarded 0 points. So please answer wisely. Catch card B.
It's a nocturnal animal and it flies at night.
Taxila, do you have the answer?
Bat.
Yes.
That is the correct answer.
Now moving on to round 3, which is the rapid fire round. Rules for round 3 are: each team will be asked 6 questions. Each team will get 1 minute 30 seconds to answer all 6 questions. Each question will carry 10 marks. The team can pass a certain question to move on to the next question. The past question can be asked again if time permits. There is no negative marking.
We begin with team 1. Question 1. Name the theory that tells us about the arrangement of particles in states of matter.
Particle theory.
Question 2. Identify the element from its symbol He.
Helium.
Question 3. What do non-flowering plants produce instead of seeds?
Spores.
Question 4. From where does the source of energy in a food chain come from?
Sun.
Question 5. What is the chemical formula of calcium oxide?
CaO.
Question 6. An astronaut's mass is 70 kgs on Earth. What is his mass in space?
Pass.
You only have one question left.
His mass will remain the same, but his weight will change.
The team has answered all 6 correctly. Moving on to team 2. Question 1. Identify the element with the symbol Na.
Sodium.
Question 2. Which part of the flower produces pollen?
Anther.
Question 3. Name the space where no particles are present. Question 4. What is the chemical formula of carbon monoxide?
CaO.
Question 5. Name the phenomenon that involves bending of light when the medium is changed.
Refraction.
Question 6. Name the unit to measure sound.
dB.
Could you please tell us the full form?
Decibels.
Moving on to question 3. Name the space where no particles are present.
Vacuum.
The team has answered all 6, out of which 5 are correct. Moving on to team 3. Question 1. What is the curved surface of a liquid in a test tube called? The audience is requested to remain silent.
Pass.
Question 2. Identify the element from its symbol Mg.
Magnesium.
Question 3. Name the type of blood vessels that carries blood away from the heart to the rest of the body.
Arteries.
Question 4. What is the chemical formula of sodium chloride?
NaCl.
Question 6. Name the type of flower in which the ovary is positioned at the top with other floral parts attached below it. Question 5. What is the unit of force?
Newton.
Question 6. Name the type of flower in which the ovary is positioned at the top with other floral parts attached below it.
Superior ovary.
Moving back to question 1. What is the curved surface of a liquid in a test tube called?
Minuscule.
The team has answered 4 correctly. Correction, the team has answered 5 correctly. Moving on to team 4. Question 1. Name the living thing that lives on or in the body of another living thing, host, and causes harm to the host.
Parasite.
Question 2. Identify the element from its symbol Cl.
Chlorine.
Question 3. Name the force exerted by water on an object floating or submerged in it.
Pass.
Question 4. What is the chemical formula of calcium carbonate?
Pass.
Question 5. Name the type of electrical circuits used in string lights.
Series.
LCD circuit.
Question 6. Which type of lens is used in microscopes?
Concave lens.
Moving back to question 3. Name the force exerted by water on an object floating or submerged in it.
Upthrust.
Now question 4. What is the chemical formula of calcium carbonate?
CaCO3.
All 6 are correct. Five are correct. The last question is incorrect.
With this, we come to the end of the quiz. We request the audience to remain seated while the results are being calculated. Declare the result.
Thank you. First of all, good morning to everyone. So, first of all, a loud cheer of clap for the audience for being a wonderful audience. And next cheers of clap for our quiz masters. Please come. For conducting the quiz so nicely, so smoothly. Thank you. And surely our participants who came on the stage and they performed. The results are visible to you, but still formally I'll speak. We have Vikramshila at 70 points at the third position. For a second position, we have a tie between Nalanda and Taxila with 110. And on the top is Gandhara with 120 points. So congratulations to everyone. Thank you. Now the dispersal.